What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie, and we are again in a brand new car, guys. So this is another new car video that I'm sharing with all of you guys. If you've been part of the channel, it's been a crazy past 2 months, selling, buying. So without any more clickbait or waste of time, let me show you guys my brand new 2022 Kia. Alright guys, I hope you like my brand new Kia K5 GT line. My honest opinion, this car right here is the best car, in my opinion, that you can get for under $30,000. Now let's kind of go over exactly what has gone down if you're new to the channel. Wifey got a 2021 Jeep Rubicon. She had a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. That ended up going to me because it was a finance and it ended up being left to me. So I had the Kia Forte. I was forced to sell the Kia Forte to take over and the payments and drive the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now the used car market and the car market is crazy right now. Right now is not the best time to buy, but it's a pretty good time to sell. So I ended up selling the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee for a crazy amount of money, and then I ended up having no car. Once I started my hunt to see what I can get for a good price, it was kind of hard to get a really good deal. When I went to Honda and I wanted to get a Honda Accord, because initially, like months back when I was getting my Toyota Camry, I was debating between Camry and Accord. For the midsize category, I ended up getting the Camry. Now that I went back to Honda Accord, Honda was telling me like I have to pay $2,000 over the MSRP. Another dealer told me I have to pay $3,000 over the MSRP because of the chip shortage. They don't have cars in the lot, etc. So I went back to my local Kia dealer where I got my Kia Forte. Now this car, guys, I got for just over $29,000, and this is a lot of car for $29,000, guys. This is just, in my opinion, the exterior design, the interior design. I already put 600 miles on it on a road trip to San Diego just this past weekend because I bought the car midweek last week. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna make a review. I'm gonna make a lot of videos again on this car. But this is an incredible car. And in Kia, you guys surprise me every single time I get in a new Kia. The technology, the comfort, the design is just absolutely insane, guys. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing if you want to see more Kia K5 videos, or you already guys figured out I like to get in and out of cars quite often, so probably gonna end up selling this maybe 6-7 months down the line and hopping into something new. So consider subscribing if you're into cars, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.